3 things that we can do practically, starting today, right now, to build and develop this higher aspirations, these concerns, these higher concerns and goals for our lives, which are anchored in the hereafter. The first thing is, the Prophet sallalahu alayhi wasalam, he told us something very amazing. Whenever you ask Allah for the best of everything that you want. And this is why the Prophet sallalahu alayhi wasallam, he told us, he instructed us, that if you ask for paradise, do not just ask for paradise. Rather, ask for the highest levels of paradise. Meaning, as a Muslim, Allah's Messenger ﷺ is teaching us, it's not, our du'as are not, oh Allah, let me just enter into paradise. Let me just take a step into paradise and that's it. No. Our aspirations need to be much greater. That, oh Allah, my goal and my aim, if that I want the highest level of paradise. I want to be next to you in paradise. And we look at the dua of Asya radiallahu anha. Right? That, what did she ask for? Oh Allah, give me a house next to you in paradise. Again, her aspirations, her goals. This is what we need. We need to raise our level of goals and aspirations. And when we ask Allah of this dunya and the akhirah, we ask the best of everything. That's the first thing. The second thing is, whenever there is of something of benefit for you and me, in this world and in the next, anything that brings us benefit, whether it's learning how to read Quran, whether it's learning to understand the Quran, whether it's learning to read the Quran or read the hadith of the Prophet, whether it's to learn our religion, whether it's something to do with our work and our careers and our skill sets that we need to aspire for. The Prophet ﷺ, he told us, seek out that which benefits you. Again, a bold, straight command. Seek out that which benefits you. And never say that you can't do it. Never say you can't do it. Seek out that which benefits you and never say you can't do it. And if things don't go the way that you had wanted, don't say, if I had have done this or if I had have done that, it would have gone another way. No, rather just say, قَدَّرَ اللَّهُ وَمَا شَاءَ فَعَلْ. That indeed Allah has willed whatever He has willed. Right? This is Allah's will. Khalas. And the third thing is, always have a long-term concern. Don't just look at yourself. Don't just say what's going to be of benefit to me. But look at what's going to be of benefit for yourself, for your family, for your community, for your lineage, for your descendants, for generations to come as a whole in these lands. Broaden your horizon. Don't just think about yourself. Because we've learned from Ibrahim alayhi salam, when he's making the du'as, and we famously know these du'as, Rabbi ja'alni muqima as-salati, and then what? وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ دُعَاءَ إِنَّكَ أَنْتَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ. What is he saying? Oh Allah, establish me upon the salah. And then what is he saying? وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي. And also from amongst my descendants. Not just my children, my whole entire lineage. And indeed, Allah answered his dua. And so we need to have a long-term perspective. When we're thinking about goals and aspirations and how to raise the bar, don't just limit it to yourself. Limit it and think broader than that.